Ang dami-dami nilang sinasabi, napakaganda na ng ekonomiya natin. Tingnan nyo, pababa yung inflation, madaming investments. We are on our way to becoming from a developing country to the next level. Maganda siya tingnan sa papel, It looks good on paper, but you don't see it at all in the everyday lives of the Filipinos. There is nothing happening in our economy. Yung mayaman, mayaman pa rin. Yung mahirap, lalong naghihirap. Yes? The poor is getting poorer. And you know, kapag sobrang dami ng mahihirap, tumataas talaga ang krimen. Because the lure of easy money is tempting them every day. Kaya dumadami ang scammer sa Pilipinas. Mag-ingat kayo, mga kababayan namin earning in dollars, because target kayo ng scammers. Investment scam, tech scam, lahat na even fellow Filipinos scamming their kababayan. Drugs, petty crimes, lahat yan. Informal settlers. Nakikita natin yan. Huwag na tayong lumayo, para makatotohanan yung example ko.